Cisco!
Look at the ants going for the bones.
You got your bone?
He got no teeth, man. He can't fucking do
He's gonna try.
You see it, look at him, Lisa.
He's doing the motion. He's gonna go into that. He thinks he's got teeth.
He's got game. Look at it. Look at it. Hey, bro, I gotta inform you about something.
You can't do that. It's jumping away.
You don't like when I talk to him either. He's like,
Cisco! Cisco! Take a putty!
go see him, bro.
But I'm videotaping.
Don't worry about it.
Here, you videotape him from your angle. Let's get him in shot.
Cisco. Come here, can I get? Oh yeah. Can I get some? Can I get a little piece? Go on, eat. Just go. Hey. Hey. I see Cool Joe. Hey.
Daddy, just leave him. Daddy. Here. Let him.
What?
Cujo. This is hilarious. As soon as he watches this video when we go down, perfect memories. Yeah, you just don't know more. It's funny enough. Let's just leave him alone now, Daddy.
I love me.
Still videotaping it, though.
He's just looking at it. I figured let him look the bone. Right?
Yes.
Can you get some more steak over there, Chicky?
Yeah, as soon as I figure out how to store
Here,
this.
let's go. Here.